guys, welcome back to another video, another video. Dicks and Downs and dicks. Hopefully too much. Okay, this video, y'all, is another collaboration. This is series number 2, episode number 5, y'all. So this is what we decided to do. It didn't matter what color we did. It just has to be a glitter crease. My nose keep running like I'm so convinced that this Morphe spray, and I just bought another one, makes me oily. I did not use this today and I'm still looking mad. Sometimes when I use this I get oily. Well, I chose its colors, but she bought me a magnetic case for my individual shadows. It's like so many color combinations out of this one thing that I like. If I was to ever, like, if I could pick a palette, I want to pick a palette. I love single shadows. Just did our thing when it came to this look. Keep rambling. I want y'all to see this beautiful look. So I will be giving y'all some words of encouragement at the end of this video. Don't forget to go check out the girls first. Tell them that Marie sent you. You guys at the end of this tutorial. My brows off camera, and I use my Morphe micro brow pencil, and I'm actually liking this pencil, y'all. I like this pencil because it's like the perfect color. And then I use my MAC Pro Wet Concealer in NC45, y'all. Some Morphe products. I got foundation in here, but I can't review it because when I put it on yesterday in my Instagram story, it did turn grayish. So apply base number 4. Number 4, especially so that the shades can pop more. I got 142 concealer buffer brush. Let's go into this deep shade right here. Coast. This color is from Suva Beauty and it's called Coast. 67 Morphe brush. My MAC 221 brush, same brushes all the time. And I'm going to go in with this color right here. Throw this neon orange on. I would have did this color or I would have did yellow. So I'm gonna just see. Yes, I'm gonna do yellow. I don't know which yellow this is from. Take my Morphe 433 brush and I'm gonna go into that blue, just Coast. And what we're gonna do is we're going to basically smoke that up. This base number 3 to cut my crease with. Cutting it. Onto the crayon case, and I'm going to take this white shadow. To take this color right here from Suva, I think it's called Acid or something. called Sugar Diet. I'm gonna take, shadow I'm gonna take is this one. I'm going to use my Jouer Foundation again, using more of Carob than Espresso. This is Morphe concealer, and this is in C445. James Charles is like, 8,000 zips. So I applied my highlighter from Patrick Star, y'all. Getting back to the makeup Shayla days, and I'm going to bronze with this shade right here. Taking blunts, blush. I took Inglot number 70 liner. Got this random liner, y'all. The empty sections of where I want to apply the glitter. So I'm going to take Morphe's lip pencil in the shade Tootsie. Just going to go chocolate wasted to line my lips. Blush, y'all, it's called Chili. Yeah, it's called Chili or Chill. Let's see. Chill. I've made it to the end of this video, y'all, and thank y'all so much for watching. Oh my god, it's like literally, we almost are like 200K, and y'all know I'm gonna do a celebration. I'm gonna bring out the Henny. No, I'm just playing. I don't do no Henny. I can't drink because of the BBO, y'all. I am gonna have a celebration. 1,000 more people, and we're at 200K. I will have like a live party or something like that. That's a lot of people. So thank y'all so much for the ones out of that 100K that supports me and watch my videos. Thank y'all so much. I think it's coming up to 19. I'm doing great. Each year I just mature. So ready for this BBL. Just pray for me, y'all. Pray for me. I just really pray, because I've been thinking about that lately. In the last video I said like to forgive and forget, or to with somebody or have beef with anybody. Put that to the side. Forgive and live, y'all. Have to enjoy each moment like it's y'all last. Doesn't matter if you did it or you didn't do it, just apologize. I recently apologized to someone, something that happened 2 years ago. I'm pretty sure y'all know, but I apologized to that person. No response, but we all have to learn how to just forgive our heart and just move on. Just have to move on with it, y'all. I have a lash line coming out, y'all, so everything is going to be, it's going to be lit this year. So exciting trips to come up. Know that even if you didn't do anything, just learn to forgive and just live your best life. All have to just be yourself, and we all have to start uplifting each other instead of keep talking about people. Like, just so much mess. Focusing on you, what you got going on, any goals that you have this year, make sure you accomplish them. Make a board, note to yourself like every day, see what you're gonna do this year to invest in yourself and make more income, y'all. I hope that y'all enjoyed this video. I had to say that, and you know, I just feel really good. I hope that y'all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe, and don't forget to go check out all the ladies in the description bar below because I know they killed it. And until then, I'll see you guys on the next episode.